Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of the North Face jacket. I've got Metropolis Parka from North Face. I returned two actually that came in color black, and I bought this one on sale in color black, but the edition that has that inside not black but colorful. So let's open it. It came in North jacket, North Face bag, but let's take it out. And inside it's also receipt. I got it in size XX large. So let's open it. Here it is. It's falling down with this small pocket. So here is the code. Inside they put paper. I don't know why. But I guess it's new. So this I really like. It's black, but it has some other color accents which add some, more color into your outfit. It has two-way zipper here. I unboxed many clothes from Metropolis, so I hope you know already how it looks. This one has also undetachable hood on snaps, which are a little easy to untouch, too easy. They should put different kind of snaps because this one's are pita. This coat has accents with some design here. And inside looks like this. North Face logo. Here are some pink, another color, navy and orange. This is orange, funny, right? And sleeves inside are also this way. Too bad it cannot be like reversible, then it would be interesting to have both colors, black and this one. Hope I don't break some. So yeah, and this coat has here on back the North Face logo is white, and it's in this engrave with the stitches, and other coats they not engraved with stitches, they just like plastic, like sticker put on it, and this has better quality, I think. And this one also has here cancer sign, cancer ribbon, breast cancer awareness ribbon. So that's good. I tried it on. Yeah, perfect sizing, slim fit, and it's nice black color, and here is 600 engraved. So it's really nice. and that color has here some accents color. Here is inside pocket also, and here it has two pockets on the side, which one is warmer and one has that material of the coat inner lining. So yeah, you think it's nice or you think this is a little tacky? I think it's nice. It gives some 80s vibes, I think, this design. Because in 80s were such colors and designs popular. Let's zip it up. So here is how it looks. It almost hit the knees and on the back even below knees. So the length wise it's perfect for winter. Here is little cinched, but the lower part doesn't have cinching, and hood has cinching, so you can cinch it, at least hood, and here you can close. Really nice jacket, really like it. And color dark is good also, and I really like this two colors because it gives some, I don't know, it's more interesting. All black was boring to me and that's why I returned it. So yeah, that's really nice coat. I'm glad I got it. It was sale during Black Friday, so that's good. Yay! Although this design of a coat not everyone might like, but I like it. This is how it looks. Yay! So yeah, that's my Metropolis Parka unboxing. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. It will make me happy. And see you in the next videos. Bye! And vlogs. Bye bye.